Good morning. What's good, YouTube? It's me, FaulPlay. You never know what I'll say. We're here. We're going to check out Deanna's latest stage performance. All right. This was sent to me. We've got a performance of Blizzard, and then Into the Skies is next. But yeah, I love Blizzard. I love when Deanna sings this one. All right. And yeah, I'm interested to hear it. So, with that being said, let's get this itch cracking. All right, let's go. Hold on. All right, let's go. But before we get this itch cracking, I just want to say thank you for being here. If you're new, though, consider hitting that subscribe. It's free. Also, FaulPlay channel memberships are now active. You can become a member. You can. All right, let's go. I like the background. Ah. They got the snow falling for real. It might be fake snow. I don't know. But I like how she's dressed here. This is a nice little outfit. Her hair always looks good. All right. And the snow falling, the background, stage effects, all that. It's so cool. I love when she does this song. It's so good. Let's bring it back a little smidgen. All right.
Ходит февраль, ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там, вдалеке, никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Тихо, самым белым.
I like that one. That was good. That was good.
Здравствуйте. Поздравляю вас с Рождеством, с наступившим Новым годом. Желаю, чтобы все ваши мечты сбывались, и чтобы вы никогда не оглядывались назад, а шли только вперед к своей цели и мечте.
But before we get into that next song, when was this? The 29th, huh? So this was yesterday? So this was yesterday, huh? Interesting. Oh man, Blizzard. You gotta love it. You gotta love when she does that one. I want to hear Wicked Game again, too. I've only heard that once. I've only heard her do that once, I think. Yeah, Blizzard, I love it. I love how she was dressed here. The effects on the stage, even the snow, and all that jazz. It was beautiful. It was beautiful, and yeah. But with that being said, I'm out of here, and I'm going to separate the reactions. So, if you're new here, hit that sub. It's completely free. What else? Any more suggestions? Let me know in the comments, okay? And FaulPlay channel memberships are now active. You can help support the channel, you know? You can. Do we need it? Yes, Nelly. And yeah, I'm out of here. FaulPlay out. I'll see you in the next one.